Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
MacGyver isn't wasting any time replacing George Eads' recently departed Jack Dalton. The CBS procedural has tapped Levy-Tran, The Haunting of Hill House, Shameless, for a recurring role, with the potential to become co-lead opposite Lucas Till, our sister site Deadline reports. Tran will make her debut in the Feb.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
George Eads is done with MacGyver. EU has confirmed that the veteran CBS actor will be written off the reboot sometime in 2019. The Hollywood Reporter says Eads asked to leave the Atlanta-based series so he could spend more time with his young daughter in Los Angeles.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The finale aired that night, with a previously unaired episode following on May 21, 1992. When asked why the series was cancelled, Anderson replied, "The only reason it went off the air was that everybody was ready to move on. I was physically exhausted and had no life."
Make your mark. Take our lead.
While on a mission in Paris in episode 3x21, Riley finds sexy text messages on Billy's phone to another woman. She breaks up with him without discussing the reason, believing that he's not worth her time.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Actress Levy-Tran. Actress Levy-Tran joined the cast of MacGyver as a recurring character in a Season 3 episode titled, K9 plus Smugglers plus New Recruit, and she has garnered popularity among fans in record short time. On the show, she plays Daisy Nguyen, a brazenly confident woman with a range of beautiful tattoos.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.